Hi, thank you for joining us here at MIRASYS USA. Today I will be highlighting our Deep Vision data plugin, Forensic Search, which is powered by Iron Yun. Very, very simple architectural design is Iron Yun AI servers run clustered together. And then our integration server, which runs on Linux and Docker, allows you to connect all of the metadata that comes from Iron Yun into MIRASYS. So all the API calls, secure API connections to the Iron Yun servers bring all of those capabilities right into the MIRASYS software inside Spotter. So to begin with, we're going to go ahead and go to plugins. This can also be searched from the camera tree. We're going to choose Forensic Search. And this is going to open up a connection to our integration server, which is hosting all the API connections to the deep learning. And you've got some options here. Very, very simple, not too overwhelming. So up at the top, we can switch to live monitoring. And from here, we can see live events for facial recognition or license plate recognition. As these are happening in real time, they'll just keep updating. This gives you quick view. This is today from 12 a.m. till 6 p.m. Right now, everybody that came in, if there was anybody that was not identified, it would show up with a no match right here. So the best way I could show that is to switch to license plates, and you'll see here on the license plate side that we have no matches pretty consistently, right? So from here, at any time, you can double click on any of these results and see the actual details. So here we can see person was detected, face, and head, right? So under face, we can see this is Carl Robenheimer. Here's the details. It even shows that he's angry and his emotional state. So from here, you have the ability to, if it's not already created, in this case, we already have it created, but if I want to create a face, I can give it a name, driver's license, add it to a group, create a new group right from within inside of MIRASYS, birth date, gender, description, right? So I can set all those up. If I wanted to just search directly from here, I have the ability to launch search, and it's going to pull up all the results for that picture, that person, for that day, right? So it quickly takes you to these results here. The other thing you can do there on Live Monitor, as you see a detection and you double click on it, you have the ability to add this to storyboard right here. You can add it to a video export, or if you just want to go straight to the video, you can do that. And if you want to export a snapshot with the metadata, you can do that as well. And what that looks like is this. Pictures, oops. There we go. And there he is. That's the picture we just snapshotted. It also includes the metadata bounding boxes. You also have the ability to very easily go back and export directly through Spotter as well. But if you want to go straight to playback, it's going to take you exactly to that moment where we have Ryan going through the video shot here. So again, from Forensic Search, you've got quick details, percentage of accuracy, a quick export to storyboard or straight export, but then you can go in and actually do a physical search. So let's say we aren't really looking for facial rec or license plate results. This allows us to go in and select objects, right? So we're looking for a person wearing a backpack that also has a cell phone. So we're looking for something in the cameras that show all those three together. And we'll go ahead and go back till the 26th, search forward. And over from the 26th till today, we only have 2 results that meet all of those requirements. So here again, we can see person, face, cell phone, head, backpack. All of those things were determined in that shot. All right, well, let's go ahead and get rid of our backpack. Say we're just looking for somebody with a cell phone. Boom, we're gonna get those results. Now let's say we're looking for a person wearing black with a cell phone. Bam, it's going to trim down that list to only include results where we have those type of things. Now let's get rid of person altogether and just look for cell phone. So anywhere a cell phone was shot, we're going to get those results. And you could even say person, and we're going to exclude all these colors, specific colors, right? You can do that as well. So pretty amazing, even with very little bit of the cell phone shown, you're still able to pull in those results and see there's the cell phone that was up against his head that it caught, person, face, head, etc. All right, so let's go a little bit deeper. We could do also looking for a person on a bicycle wearing black. Boom, there we go. Great result there on our license plate camera. Person wearing black on a bicycle. And of course, really, really wide shot, which is 4K video. Here we've got that as well. Bicycle, person wearing black. So the cool thing about this too is, let's say I wanted to take all these results and I want to create a storyboard of all of those events that show every time a bicycle with a person wearing black was on there, and I want to take these handful and I want to add those to a storyboard. You also have the ability to set your free start time and end time for those storyboards. And now we've got all of those videos with those results, and I can choose to do my storyboard. And here we go. Export. Here we go. And now, guy wearing black on a bicycle. Here we go. There's our guy. And we can play fast forward. And our next clip, there's another guy black on bicycle. Another guy black on a bicycle. Guy on a bicycle. So great way, if something happened, you need to put together a storyboard with all of your search results. Huge time saver. Same thing could be done with, we're looking for every time a yellow bus drove by. Boom, all the results, yellow bus. Same thing, we could add those items to our storyboard. So the great part is you can search all of these different things. If you're looking for a wild animal, any kind of object, somebody with an object, backpack, luggage, stroller, wheelchair, cell phone, umbrella, bag, dangerous object, any kind of dangerous object, being able to search those results as well to see what took place there as well. Fire, handgun, rifle, smoke, etc. And then we can go in and do facial search as well. So for example, if we want to select somebody from a database, we want to see when they were on property, like this person that was banned. I'm going to select that person and search all the results for him. Boom, it's going to pull up those results. Same thing here, I can select all these results and I can add these to a storyboard, create Carl's worst experiences. And again, I want to double click to review this. I can review all of this video very quickly to see if it is important. All right, the other thing you have the ability to do is rather than just searching from database, you can search from live faces, but you can also look through database as well. Just pulling a picture in, importing it. It's kind of one of those good in, good out. So you got a decent picture to utilize. Here we can see results. Kevin actually wasn't in the office today. So go back a couple days, boom, we quickly get those results instead of looking through hours of video. Of course, the further you go, we're obviously going to have a lot more results. And as you have more and more, it'll create new pages for you with those results as well. Great example is, this is Carl quite a while ago. And yet it's still able to see that that's obviously the same person, even though there's a good 15-ish years there in between. All right, so you've got the ability to import a photo, select a face from your databases. You also have the ability to do this for license plates. So, you know, if we want to look for a person that's in the database, like look for Marilyn Robinson, and we'll go back and see all of her license plate results. And there we've got everywhere her vehicle is detected. But we could also search anything. It could be 6, any license plate that starts with 6. And of course, this is going to pull results there as well. So these are all the vehicles that have a license plate that start with 6 from the 22nd till now. And of course, you can, even from that single digit, go ahead and review plate details. You can also create plates from your search. If you need to add this to a list or a person, you can do that as well. And instant playback right to that exact time with image controls to set your histogram filter, things like that, to really try to bring out that license plate. Invert colors is a great choice for that. It makes the things really pop. Great tools for license plate rec as well. And of course, if you just want to look for all plates that happened in that time, you can do that as well. And this is going to pull up every license plate that was detected based on your start time and your end time. And you can check and see E303VF. Great. There we go. So that's it. Just a quick overview of what we have available with this forensic search. You can add and specify facial rec, license plate rec, forensic search. We can set up active alerts and alarms based off of a lot of this data. So you'd see as an active alarm happens, like we usually do on a map, is that when those happen, you're going to get a video pop up. It's going to show you in the tree. You can specify the color of the alarm, and you're going to track where it's actually occurring on the map. And you can choose to acknowledge or not acknowledge those alarms, just to give you the capability of seeing important data when it's happening. The weapon is detected, getting those active alerts and seeing what's happening, and also knowing where they're happening at the same time. Thank you for joining. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can go to our website at mirasys.com or mirasysusa.com. We'd be happy to schedule a private demo with you as well. Thanks and have a great day.